MX with my boy Donnie, like the partner of this channel. We're downtown, as you can see, as the other video we did earlier. Right now, grinding plates on here. For the beginning, we're gonna start in the back. Let's start right here. We have what is the hub? LBS, yeah, included with the LBS hub. Oh, Jesus, bro. And we have a monster pack. I was gonna say Black Mamba. Oh, that's thanks. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, black. And Sunday Sprocket, but it is. Alright, he just said Sunday Sprocket. The frame and art is right there. Then racing bars off his bike. You farted. Then we have Mongoose grips that are like off my old 540. Then we have the Odyssey tire. Yeah. And if you guys were wondering what type of price that is, that's a Walmart pen. Oh yeah, and the stem is a Haro stem. Oh yeah, it is. That was awesome wrong, respectfully. And the best part, the minion. Shout out to Johnny Brown. And yeah, I'm on Facebook, Johnny Brown. I'll put some names down for shout outs. And oh yeah, dude, we missed the forks. These are Diamondback forks. And pretty shitty as fuck. They're shredded. And what type of bottom bracket is it? Redline? Don't fit. And yeah, I knew it was Redline. If you take apart off this old bike, we built this. It's either fit or Redline, guys. So stay tuned for more videos, and guys, I hope you enjoyed this fucking video. Fucking bike right there. See, I set it off that. Wait, no, I didn't. That is the Mongoose. I like the view. I don't know why I'm recording this. I just like the view. We're downtown. The best part's down there somewhere. But peace out, guys. Yeah. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe.